Indeed, welcome indeed to my own big budget production here. Special effects galore, by no means a shortage of those. And we're going to start off with one as I zoom you into the continent of Europe. But we'll just check out the situation here. You'll see that there is a swathe of rather dark and threatening cloud across the western side here, but it looks as though elsewhere across Europe the skies are relatively clear. And I suspect that means that we're going to see one or two showers, but nothing near the sort of scale of things that we've seen in the past couple of weeks or so. And I don't think there'll be a great deal of change on Thursday either. So a sprinkling of showers across the north, the Mediterranean dry and fine, even in the Canaries if that's the way you're heading. Now, coming back to that cloud that we saw there just lurking across the northwestern quarter of Europe, that in fact is a ribbon of cloud associated with the front, which is perilously close to the eastern coast of the British Isles just at the moment. And it was a wet start too, down towards Wales and around about the Irish Sea coastal fringes. Now, it looks as though in fact some of that cloud is breaking up across these western areas, but you'll notice how adjacent some of this rain is towards the eastern side of the British Isles. You better get used to it, because I think that's going to be a sort of constant threat over the next day or two. A sprinkling of showers there, I would have thought, and then looking towards the north, we may well find some rain getting over towards Shetland, but elsewhere largely dry and fine. And then coming back to the west, well, after that dull start, the skies are breaking up, and I think we'll find just maybe one or two showers there through the afternoon, but you'll be unlucky to see one. Top temperature around about 23 or 24. Elsewhere, we're looking at around about 19 or 20 degrees, something of that order. You see what I mean about that rain not really moving very far at all through the course of the night. You'll notice it there, just staying close by to these eastern coastal fringes, and I think elsewhere largely dry and fine. Temperatures still on the humid side down towards the southeast, but elsewhere a much fresher prospect. Wednesday starts off with really rather cloudy conditions yet again on the east coast. You might see the odd spot of rain, but nothing to write home about. And then as the day progresses, I think we'll break up some of that cloud along the east coast, looking further west, drier and brighter, until the arrival of another band of cloud into the northwest of Scotland. You might see a spot of rain there late on in the day. And the temperatures are rather akin to what we're seeing today, topping out around about 22, 23 degrees. And then by Thursday, same band of cloud and rain, in fact, is still lurking along the east coast, but this time with the formation of this area of low pressure, I think it may just start toppling in towards the eastern side of both Scotland and England, and certainly the further west you are, the drier and brighter things will be. The very best of the sunshine there, and the temperatures again topping out at around about 22 or 23 degrees. And then to finish off the weekend, well, sorry, the week, it looks as though we'll keep a fair number of showers across the south, the very best of the sunshine perhaps a little bit further to the west, Darren.